It's making funny sounds in here.
Now, shall we make some more fun-sounding instruments?
Yes!
Ta-da!
Wow!
Look!
Oh! When beans bump into each other, they make funny sounds.
If we put in more beans, it makes richer sounds.
With bean, corn, macaroni, and cereal. I can't wait to try it!
Now, shall we put it all in the bottle?
Yes! I did it!
Okay, now, would you guys like to play?
Yes, Gloria! I love